Another thing I'm going to encourage you to do on LinkedIn is to post about our program together. You go up here and you do start a post. And you would say, I usually don't do today because people sometimes may be reading things a couple days later or whatever else it was. You could say, here are 3 things I learned at a presentation from, and then do at, and then do my name, Diane Darling. It will pop up. Then you can do 1, 2, 3, and then after you write a little bit more, you can add hashtags. I encourage you to add the hashtag networking, career, maybe public speaking. Oops, needs to be all one word. Public speaking, coach is fine. What pops up first is what most people are searching for. And press use the hashtags a fair amount. You could do great resignation because people are talking about that. And say, here's what you learned. Then when you post it, because you've tagged me, I will see this. And then I can make a comment going back and saying, hey, it was nice to have you in my presentation. Continued success on your career, or something along those lines. That is how you would create a post.